Have you heard Taco Bell is bringing back their Mexican pizza? Well, let me show you how to make this low carb and keto friendly version of that Mexican pizza. Now, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you click on the bell to get notified for all my new videos. So let's get into how to make this Mexican pizza low carb style. We're going to start out with 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. And to that, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, cumin, and oregano. Also, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a full teaspoon of paprika. Use your low-carb tortillas snack size. I browned them from 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Taco Bell Mexican Pizza uses refried beans, which are 4 net carbs per tablespoon. So don't freak out, just use it a little and it'll go a long way. You're going to spread that 1 tablespoon of refried beans all the way to the edge and then add our ground beef mixture. Be generous with that ground beef mixture. This is our seasoned taco meat after it's been drained and seasoned. To that, we're gonna add a second tortilla and add enchilada sauce on top. Spread that all around. This is gonna be our binder for our toppings. Spread it all the way to the edges, and to that, we're gonna add our Mexican blend shredded cheese. After that, we're gonna add our diced tomatoes. Again, be generous with that. Whoa, what happened? Oh, it fell off the edge. Clean it up, there we go. Pick it up, there we go. Don't wanna waste anything, right? Okay, and after the diced tomatoes, you wanna add your chopped green onions. All around the top, make it look pretty. Remember, color is important here. To our Mexican pizza, put it in the air fryer for 350 degrees for 3 minutes just to melt the cheese so it's ooey and gooey. Yep, and so after you pull it out of the air fryer, this is what it's gonna look like, and this is what our final product comes out to be. This is my low carb and keto friendly Mexican pizza. Again, it looks delicious, tastes delicious. Remember, you can eat great and still lose weight. Well, this is how it turned out. This is my low carb and keto friendly Mexican pizza, very much like Taco Bell. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share it to my channel. Click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, I'm going to suggest a couple of videos here at the end that you can click on and watch so you can stay in tune with that low carb lifestyle. Well, that's it. I hope you like this low carb Mexican pizza. We will see you in the next video.